Welcome to Go Mandarin Grammar.
华语语法战士。
For our lesson today, we're going to talk about times of actions, the differences between
次
and
变，次
and
变
are both words that describe how many times something has happened. However, their meanings may differ depending on the situations used.
次
You can use
次
in almost all situations. For example,
我吃过一次台湾菜。
I have eaten Taiwanese food once. If it is used in a definite tone, it shows the number of times that an action appears. Let's look at another example.
我去过一次台北动物园。
I've been to Taipei Zoo once. Here,
次
emphasizes the number of times an action takes place rather than the completion of the action. Next, let's look at
变
although
变
is quite similar to
次
it is used to show the wholeness of an occurrence. When we talk about an action which takes place from the beginning to the end,
变
is used. For example,
每个汉字写5遍。
write each Chinese character 5 times.
变
Also indicates the completion of an action. Here's another example.
我没看清楚，请你再写一遍。
I didn't see it clearly, so please write it again. In the example, if
变
is used to express the idea, write it again. It's expected that the other party will repeat the whole story or statement again. Ready for some practice? Complete the sentences by filling in the blanks.
我去过一空中大学。
In the sentence above, the speaker would like to stress the number of times that the action going to school occurs, rather than the completion of the action. So we should use
次
here.
我去过一次空中大学。
I've been to the school once. Here's another example.
这本书我看很多了。
I've read this book many times. The answer is
变这本书我看很多遍了。
when we focus on the entire process of an action, we use
变
well done. Now you've learned how to use
次
and
变
in Chinese. See you at the next lesson.